Hey there, savvy savers. Ever wondered how some people manage to save big bucks without sacrificing their lifestyle? Stick around, because today I'm sharing the ultimate frugal living hacks that will have you saving money faster than you can say coupon queen. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I love helping you make the most of your money. We're all about that smart spending, savvy saving, and building a solid financial foundation. Today, we're diving deep into frugal living hacks that can help you save money every single day without feeling deprived. Whether you're hustling towards a down payment on your dream house, planning an epic adventure around the world, or just want to make your paycheck stretch further, these tips are for you. So grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the secrets to frugal living. First up, let's talk about meal planning. You know, that thing you tell yourself you'll do every Sunday and then life happens? Trust me, I get it. But seriously, mastering meal prep is like having a superpower over your food budget. By planning your meals for the week and prepping ingredients in advance, you're basically saying see you later to those last-minute takeout temptations. No more staring into the abyss of your fridge, wondering what to eat, and then caving to the siren song of delivery apps. Think about it. How much money do you think you spend on average each week on takeout or restaurant meals? I bet it adds up faster than you realize. Now imagine redirecting that cash flow straight into your savings account. That's the power of meal planning. Buying in bulk and cooking at home is not just a recipe for saving money, it's a recipe for eating healthier too. You control the ingredients, the portions, and you can even customize your meals to fit your dietary needs. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about whipping up a delicious home-cooked meal. It's like giving yourself a mini high five for being a frugal rock star. So ditch the takeout menus, put on your chef hat, and let's get cooking. All right, let's talk about cleaning supplies. Have you ever walked down the cleaning aisle at the store and felt like you needed to take out a small loan to cover the cost of sparkling counters and a spotless bathroom? Seriously, why are those products so expensive? Here's a little secret. You can achieve the same level of clean with a few simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. We're talking about the dynamic duo of vinegar and baking soda, the cleaning power of lemons, and the underestimated might of good old-fashioned soap and water. These natural cleaning agents are not only gentler on your wallet, they're also gentler on the environment. Plus, you can avoid harsh chemicals that can be irritating to your skin and respiratory system. It's time to ditch those expensive, chemical-laden cleaners and embrace the magic of DIY cleaning solutions. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Next up, let's tackle those pesky utility bills. You know, the ones that seem to magically multiply every month. The good news is, you don't have to live in the dark or freeze your toes off to save money on your energy consumption. Let's start with the low-hanging fruit light bulbs. Switching to energy-efficient LED bulbs might seem like a small change, but trust me, it can make a significant difference in your energy consumption over time. Plus, LED bulbs last much longer than traditional incandescent bulbs, so you'll save money on replacements in the long run. Next up, phantom energy suckers. These are those sneaky electronics that secretly drain power even when they're not in use. We're talking about phone chargers, laptops, coffee makers, you name it. Get in the habit of unplugging these energy vampires when you're not using them, or invest in a power strip that you can easily switch off with the flick of a button. And for those of you who live in colder climates, let's talk about the thermostat. Lowering your thermostat by just a few degrees in the winter can make a noticeable difference in your heating bill. Bundle up in cozy sweaters, layer on the blankets, and embrace the warmth of a hot cup of tea. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Chapter 4. Thrifting and upcycling sustainable style on a budget. Who says you need to drop serious cash to look like $1 million? Not me. Thrift stores are like hidden treasure chests overflowing with unique finds at a fraction of the cost of buying new. We're talking about vintage jackets, designer denim, one-of-a-kind furniture pieces. The possibilities are endless. Thrifting isn't just about saving money, it's about embracing a more sustainable way to shop. By giving pre-loved items a new home, you're reducing waste and minimizing your environmental impact. Plus, it's just plain fun. Thrifting is like a treasure hunt where you never know what gems you'll uncover. And speaking of giving items a second life, let's talk about upcycling. Transforming old items into something new and useful is not only frugal, but also incredibly creative and rewarding. Turn old t-shirts into reusable shopping bags, repurpose mason jars into stylish storage containers, or give that tired furniture a fresh coat of paint. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Chapter 5. Cashback and rewards. Earn free money? Yes, please. Let's be real. We all love free money, right? Well, get ready to jump for joy because cashback apps and rewards programs are like secret weapons in your frugal living arsenal. These little gems help you earn money back on purchases you were going to make anyway. It's like getting paid to shop. From groceries and gas to online shopping and dining out, there's a cashback app or rewards program for practically everything these days. Some of my favorites include Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey. These apps are super easy to use and the cashback adds up quickly. Think of it this way. Every time you earn cash back, it's like getting a mini discount on your purchase. Over time, those small amounts can really add up to significant savings. So ditch those old school punch cards and embrace the digital age of cashback apps and rewards programs. Your wallet will thank you. Chapter 6. Subscription Audit. Cut the cord on unnecessary expenses. Okay, folks, it's time to get real about our spending habits. We're going to dive deep into the abyss of our bank statements and confront those recurring subscriptions that are slowly draining our bank accounts. You know the ones I'm talking about. Those streaming services we signed up for but never use. The gym memberships that are gathering dust. And those subscription boxes that are overflowing with products we never even wanted. It's time to channel our inner Marie Kondo and ask ourselves, does this subscription spark joy? If the answer is no, or even a hesitant maybe, it's time to hit that cancel button. Trust me, it's incredibly liberating to free yourself from the shackles of unnecessary subscriptions. Think about it. How much money could you save each month by canceling just 1 or 2 subscriptions? That money could be redirected towards your savings goals, invested in your future, or even used to treat yourself to something special, guilt-free. So, grab your bank statements, a cup of coffee, and let's embark on a subscription audit adventure. Your wallet will thank you. That's it for today's frugal living hacks. I hope you found these tips helpful and are feeling inspired to start saving. Remember, frugal living isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices with your money so you can live a richer, more fulfilling life. It's about achieving your financial goals and building a solid foundation for your future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a money-saving tip. Let's build a community of savvy savers who are committed to making the most of their money. Comment below with your favorite frugal hack or any tips I might have missed. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, happy saving.